let's talk about maintenance, which is quite important for a vacuum like this, because, you know, to get the full performance out of it continuously, you need to maintain it. Now, one thing to note is that we never wash this bucket, practically. I think maybe a few times we wiped it off whenever something really nasty got in there, but we never wash it. And the reason we don't, and this is pretty important, is that if you guys see that filter there in the middle, that's actually a stainless steel kind of mesh, and if you get it wet, it will rust, and you don't want it to rust. I guess I could open it here from the top. So yeah, you never want to, you know, wet this. And if you do wash it, which is fine, you can wash it obviously, you want to wipe it off right away with, you know, a napkin or a cloth. It doesn't really make sense to clean it, and you guys see we don't clean it at all, and it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's going to get dirty either way, so even after you clean it from the second use, it's going to look just like this. So that's one thing. Another thing, very important obviously, are these filters. Now you guys can see our filters here are pretty, you know, worn out. Now we do try to recycle these and wash them and then reuse them, you know, over time. I'm not sure how old this one is, maybe about 3 months or something, 2-3 months, and you guys can see even cleaning it once a week or so, you know, it's not something that you can keep doing over a long period of time. So you do need new filters, and this one too, you guys can see, you know, it's starting to get pretty crummy. And this is where these kind of filters here come in, which you get 2 of the HEPA filters and 4 filter sets. So it comes with thinner one and the foam filter itself. Simple as that. Keeping the filters clean will, you know, help with the performance and the life, I guess, of the vacuum, because it doesn't have to, you know, suck as hard if it's not trying to, you know, go through a dirty filter. And obviously this HEPA filter here needs to be changed with this new one. And maybe you guys can see, but yeah, it just clicks underneath there, just like that. And then we got this cover that goes on top and clicks in, and that is it. So now we got new filters everywhere. And put the canister on, and we're good to go. And under here, guys, all you need to do is pop the little roller off the front and then kind of clean out the teeth under there, and that's all the maintenance you can do. The hood here doesn't come off, but you guys can see there's something in there right now, like a little ball of something that's just stuck in there, and there's no way to really get it out. So yeah, you know, watch out for larger hard particles that can lunge themselves into the back there between the roller and this upper portion. Yeah, but other than that, guys, no real complaints anywhere from the vacuum.